Are you interested in how the story continues? Okay, so watch a corporate mouse on the journey to learn HTML in 2020. Join me and see things like this. Because why not? A recipe web page, part 4, referring to URL. Hi there, it's Katcoolka. How are you today? In today's part we will talk about URL links and how to add them in the initial structure. As you can see on the screen, I will be focusing mainly on the resources part of the web page, where we have 4 bullet points from the unordered list, and this will be referenced with new URL links that I've listed on the right side in my new help note section in OneNote, which is the best tool for documenting and for note-taking. I would like to also welcome new subscribers and few new viewers. Please take a seat and enjoy the project overview. With that being said, let's begin. I would like to start with the script formatting and preparing a space for new tag that I will be adding for these new URLs. So I am splitting the li tag in new rows, and this will help to better read the script once I add new reference tag. As you can see in the future web page, it is not changing the outcome. The tag of today is a. It defines a hyperlink and it is a pair tag. A very important part of this pair tag is attribute href, which indicates the link's destination. Between the first and the second part of a tag, there we can link the text that will be visible to the reader. In this case, we will use the names of the bullet points that are already defined in the script of the recipe web page. As you can see on the screen on the left side, when I add the first part of the a tag, the whole section after that is highlighted as URL link. It will stay as it is in the future web page until I close this pair tag with the second part or with the finishing part of the tag. Adding the URL between the quotation marks will complete the referring section or referring part of this task. As you can see, it contains the main important parts. First, a element with the attribute href, which is referring to the concrete URL of existing web page on the internet, and between the first and second tag we have the link text, which will be visible to the reader, and this tag is finished by the second part or the end tag. In the meantime, I'm adding this pair tag called a to the second bullet point, and I will not add the URL, but I will prepare all 4 points with this pair tag so we can continue. So I will repeat that 2 times in order to have the structure ready for pasting the URL links from my URL links list on the right side. So many verbal URL references, it sounded like a proper language exercise at this stage. Let me know in the comments below if you are able to say it 5 times in a row. Meanwhile, I'm finishing the last bullet point, so as you can see, the structure is prepared and we can start inserting the URL links from our list. In the OneNote section, I'm also highlighting used URLs with green, so I am not copying already used reference. This is helping me to better distinguish or differentiate between used and unused links. And the future web page is showing us how it looks like when all URL links are added into the resources sections. As you can see, all of them are highlighted and they are ready for usage. Now I would like to review the homework task list and check out things that were completed during the last few videos. If we scroll up, we can see the list and also the script. So, photo of cooked meal, this is completed. This is the first main picture added in the script, and this is the script reference on the right side. Second point, description of the meal is also completed, and we have the formatting of the text, which is here in this section. Next, we have a photo of each step. This was done in the last video. If you are interested how I did that, please go and check my video about referring pictures. The future web page is showing how it looks like when we have all the pictures in one place, and also how it looks like in the script. And today's finishing task, adding a link or referring to resources with URL links, this is also completed. The last step on the list is adding a link to bigger photo. This will be completed in my next video. If you are interested how I created the initial structure for this video, please go to the playlist or find more information in the description box down below. Please consider subscribing, leaving a comment and liking this video. Thank you for watching.